In this session, we'll walk you through how to trigger SMS campaigns using our API, step by step. From accessing API documentation, generating access tokens, configuring request parameters, and sending messages. Let's get started. First, log in to your Qikberry SMS portal. On the main dashboard, click on API documentation. Here, you'll see all the available API references on the left side menu. Select Send Message. Post. Copy the post API URL from this page. We'll be using it in the next step. Now open API Dog or Postman, whichever you prefer. Select the post method and paste the API endpoint URL that we copied earlier. To authenticate your API request, you need a bearer token. Go back to the Qikberry portal and click on Developers Available on the top right corner, select Access Token, then click the plus icon to generate a new token. Give it a name like Qikberry Token and click Save. The token will be created. Copy the access token. Return to API Dog or Postman and open the Auth or Authorization tab. Choose Bearer Token from the dropdown and paste the access token here. Next, we need to set up the request body. In API documentation, copy the sample JSON or curl code. Go to the body section in API Dog or Postman, select JSON, and paste the code. Now replace the required fields. Add your recipient mobile numbers with country code. If you're sending to multiple numbers, simply separate them with commas. Update the sender ID. Add your DLT approved template ID. Add the message template. Replace any template variables. Once everything is ready, click on Send. The API will trigger your SMS campaign instantly. You'll see the API response right below, confirming whether the request was successful. To verify the delivery status, go back to the Qikberry SMS portal. Click on Messages. Here you can view message delivery reports, status updates, and you can also confirm whether the SMS was sent using portal or API. That's it. You've successfully triggered an SMS campaign using Qikberry's API.